Hello everybody, welcome to Northern Ireland. You may recognise these steps as the spot that Arya Stark got stabbed in. Well, actually got stabbed on a bridge and she fell and she swam here from Game of Thrones. I'm on the Game of Thrones tour, which is really cool. So I'm in Northern Ireland exploring. We've seen a few things so far, but I thought this was the coolest spot to give you an intro. So here I am. Imagine me sort of like being stabbed here and bleeding everywhere and then sort of like clambering up these things. And then suddenly you come up here and it's just like normal.
Film crew.
On you. Welcome to Ireland. So behind me here is a cave. This is the cave where the Red Woman gave birth to the shadow creature that the woman killed someone, I forget his name, I'm so bad with the names. Renly Baratheon. It's a really cool scene. Quite graphic. I want to say season 2, maybe season 3. Gee, turn the camera around because it is spectacular here. Nice. Moving on, next part of the trip. Come on.
These are quite phenomenal just on their own.
Instruction manual how to pull a plane.
There's a whole thing about actually drinking it.
This is not going to go well at all. So, empty glass, 45 degrees, yanks, up to the Guinness sign, straighten, other way, get your head in. Alright. Someone can someone order it for me.
I'd love a pint of Guinness, please.
Coming up, love. It comes out quite quick.
Should be working again then. It's easy.
And do I keep doing it?
No, you set up here now. Set up. Once you leave it for the minute and they can say
I've never felt sexier in my life.
That's because they stand on same meat. So then we have to let it get to this colour.
Is that going to be a good one? Can you tell us?
And then
who's up next? Can we all leave our pints here and then compare? That's a fun game.
Well, yours is going to be the best because it's going to set it up.
Brilliant, I win. Understood, so you're all way to the top now.
Set it up here.
Now I've done it.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Your certificate.
Yes.
I'm panning down.
Crushing it. A bit realistic. So we've seen just about all we can see on the road because we've been driving all day. So for a change of scenery, we're going up in the sky in this helicopter. It's very small. I feel like I'm bigger than it. Might actually let the helicopter ride me. I'll give it a piggyback. But in we get to have a good look from up in the sky. A dragon's eye view, in fact. Get to the chopper! That's an Arnold Schwarzenegger impression. If you didn't know. There we go, good. But that was bloody amazing. Weirdly, we went past a lake that's just on top of a hill. It just defies the laws of physics, but loved it. I love a beach like this when they're sort of very long, wide, I suppose they are. starts back there at the grass, goes all the way down here. This is just a really lovely walk, you know, when the tide's out. You're kind of walking on the really sort of shallowy, watery bit. I'm not expecting this beach very well, am I? And you go all the way down to the sea here. Oh, very wet here. Like I've got my big boots on. Going in. Oh, okay. Nope. Oh, that's gone right in my sock. Big time. Guys, how incredible is this place? Like, Northern Ireland is the most beautiful place in the world. I had no idea. We're at a place now called Tollymore Forest, and we're going to meet some massive dogs which play the Direwolves in season 1. Apparently after that they're CGI'd. Just look here. I bet that water is chilly, right? So beautiful. That's it. I'm Irish. Done.
They're very excited at the minute. My brother William just showed up and then went away, and then they were like, oh, where did he go? So then they see me and then they see you guys. So come on over. I've already done the talk. And then this is Thor. He played Grey Wind. Well, what we'll do first is we'll let you guys get some pictures with an awful Thor.
They have no idea how famous they are, do they?
They don't, and they don't care.
Yeah, I know
Sometimes
that.
they do.
Yeah.
Odin's a diva. Odin's the diva. He's the... Yeah. Thor's the... He's got 2 different coloured eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the David Bowie. Yeah,
Jim scared them away.
Got a big yard.
if you blow in their face, they're...
The boys!
I'm back in London now, and it occurred to me that I forgot to finish this video. The last thing you saw was the Wolves. After that I went to the premiere of the first episode of season 8, and then an after party which went on very late. We ended in a gay bar about 5 or 6 on the Gremlins. Kremlins, is that what it's called? Yeah. It's called Kremlins, about 5 or 6 of us, and had a wicked night. But it was great, and the first episode is amazing. But it occurred to me that I hadn't finished this video because tonight is Game of Thrones night. The second episode of the final season comes out tonight, and I was putting this video together and thought, oh my god, I haven't finished it. So this is me finishing it. I hope you are up to date. I hope you're really, really enjoying it. I haven't seen the second episode yet, but the first one was great, wasn't it? I mean, not loads of like action and stuff, but storytelling and kind of setting things up. It's very exciting, isn't it? Thanks very much for watching. Thank you to Sky Atlantic and Game of Thrones for having me. I had honestly the most amazing time, and I will see you very soon. Bye.